I'll take you for a tour and show you everything around the boat. If you're a wheelchair user and you want to go and enjoy the pool, well, you can't. It's time to actually have some fun and try to enjoy this cruise. The boat has docked now in Barcelona, and I've decided that I'm not going to get off the boat. Everyone's going out and exploring for the day, which means I can go and enjoy the pool and everything the boat has to offer without crowds of people. And I'll take you for a tour and show you everything around the boat. Let's go check it out. On level 5, there's a huge buffet. It's enormous. It literally takes up the entire level. And they've got lots of food there, from desserts, salads. They've even got vegetarian food, seafood, pizza, pasta, any food that you can think of, they've got. Even on a quiet day, the buffet area is still crazy busy. I got myself a piece of vegetarian pizza and some chicken. Really good. At the buffet area, there's also these wash stations. There's quite a few of them everywhere. None of them are accessible. They're all really, really high, and there's nowhere to actually wheel under. You would think they'd have at least one here for wheelchair users, but none. And now we're here to check out deck number 16. I love this room. It feels like I'm back in Tokyo. Look what I found. I found the bowling alley, but sadly there's steps to get in, so they don't want people with disabilities and wheelchair users to go bowling. I mean, look, it makes sense. If you've seen me with a bowling ball, you wouldn't want me to bowl here either. There's also a running track that goes all the way around this deck, so for those that can run, you can run around, but also really great for wheelchair users, because if you want to get your pushes in, it's great exercise. I've arrived on deck 18. Let's go check out the Sky Lounge. Now this is my favorite lounge. It's adults only, and it is beautiful. It's the only space in the boat where it's literally pretty much almost empty. And just next to the kids' play section is my favorite section of the entire cruise ship so far. It's the nightclub. This is the dance floor. I'll definitely be hitting this dance floor one night. Something you probably don't know about me is I used to be a DJ when I grew up. DJ Shane in the house! And behind me is Attic Bar. And the problem with the bars around on the cruise is they're all fixed stools. So no drinking at the bar for you if you're in a wheelchair, unless you're happy to be 1.5 meters away from the bar. I'm now on my way to deck 19, which is actually the highest level that I can go with these current lifts. I've just done a full lap around the pool, and there is no wheelchair access or ramp access into the pool whatsoever. There's a huge ledge. It's about half a metre high that goes all the way around the pool. Each of the entry points has about 4 stairs to get up and 3 stairs to get down. So if you're a wheelchair user and you want to go and enjoy the pool, well, you can't. Unless you can walk over steps, you're not going in there. You would think that there'd be plenty of space to put a ramp in, but no ramp. One more pool left that I haven't checked out, and I'm crossing my fingers that this one's accessible, hoping that there's wheelchair access or a ramp. I'm looking at the pool now. Bong bong, steps everywhere. What's a shock and also very disappointing is that none of the pools, none of the spas, none of them are accessible here on this boat. You would think that at least one of them would have a ramp or non-step free access, but none of them at all. And what's also really crazy is that this is a new boat. And how is it that they're building cruise ships for thousands of people, having that 20% of the population has disabilities? I feel like the cruise industry might need a little bit of a shake-up. Coming up. Okay, so look, I have some good news. I just received a phone call from the guest services.